Hello everyone, we are going to study about SQL joins in DBMS. What is a SQL join in DBMS? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Joins are fundamental tools for combining data from multiple tables in relational database. Join allow efficient data retrieval, which is essential for generating meaningful observation and solve complex business queries. Understanding SQL join types such as inner join, left join, right join, full join is critical for working with relational database. An SQL join cause is used to query and access data from multiple tables by establishing logical relationship between them. It can access data from multiple tables simultaneously using common key values shared across different tables. We can use also join with multiple tables. It can also be paired with other causes. The most popular use will be using join with where causes in filter data retrieval. There are different types of SQL joins. First, inner join. Inner join returns only the row where there is a match in both tables. Second, left join, also called a left outer join. It is returns all rows from the left table and the match row from the right table. If there no match, null value can return from column from the right table. Third, right join. It is also called a right outer join. It is a return all rows from the right table, then the match row from the left table. If there are no match, null value can return for column from the left table. Fourth, full join. It is also called a full outer join. It is a returns all rows when there is a match in one of the tables. If there are no match, null value are returned for columns from the table without a matching. We see first types of SQL inner join. Inner join is a join operation in DBMS that combine two or more tables based on related columns and returns only rows that have matching value among tables. The inner join causes SQL is used to combine records from two or more tables. The result contains only the rows that have matching value in both tables based on a specific condition. These are syntax of inner join. Select column name from table 1. Inner join table 2 on table 1 column name is equal to table 2 column name semicolon. For example, table name is a products. Select product ID, comma, product name, comma, category name from products. Then inner join categories on product. Category ID is equal to categories category ID. Semicolon. Semicolon is important. It is a second type SQL left join. Left join return all rows from the left table along with matching rows from the right table. If there is no match, null value are returned from columns from the right table. Left join is also known as a left outer join. The SQL left join combines two tables based on a common value. It then select records having matching value in these columns and the remaining row from the left table. It is a syntax of left join. Select column name from table 1. Left join and table 2. On table 1, column name is equal to table 2, column name semicolon. For example, customer table, then select customer's name, comma order.order ID from customers. Left join orders on customers.customer ID is equal to orders.customer ID. Ordered by customers.customer name semicolon. Third type in join SQL right join. The right join return all the row of the table on the right table on the and matching rows from the table on the left side of the join. It is very similar to left join for the rows. For each there is no matching row on the left side. The result set will be contain null. Right join is also known as a right outer join. The SQL right join statement join two tables based on a common column. It selects records that have matching columns in these columns and the remaining rows from the right table. It is syntax. Select column list from table 1. Right join table 2 on table 1 column is equal to table 2 column semicolon. Uh, Table name, for example, table name is employee. Select employees.employee ID, comma, employees.employee name, comma, departments.department name from employees table. Right join departments on employees.department ID is equal to departments.department ID. Semicolon. It is a fourth types in SQL join. SQL full outer join. Full outer join creates the result set by combining result of the left join and right join. The result set will contain all the rows from both tables. For the rows from which there is no matching, the result set will contain null value. It selects records that have matching values in these columns and the remaining rows from both of the tables. This is a syntax of full outer join. Select column name from table 1. Full outer join table 2 on table 1 column name is equal to table 2 column name. Where condition semicolon. For example, customers table. Select customer.customer name, comma orders.order ID from customers table. Full outer join orders on customers.customer ID is equal to orders.customer ID. And where a condition order by customer.customer name semicolon. All about joins in DBMS. Thank you.